Let's make a healthy and delicious breakfast recipe for kids today. So I'm going to be making cheese spinach paneer appes. Now as a mother, I tried different ways to make food interesting and fun. Like for this recipe, we have spinach, paneer, things that are healthy for kids, but I'm also going to be adding some seasonings and cheese and giving our regular appes a new twist so that it appeals to the kids and they eat well. But this is not something that I can do on a regular basis because at the end of the day, I want my child to eat regular food that's cooked at home. But kids can get fussy about eating, or maybe they just don't eat enough, which results in a lack of energy to do regular activities like sports, or even insufficient nutrition, which could affect their concentration in studies. All of it put together becomes a concern for parents. Now I've found a wonderful product called Aptivate that works wonders when it comes to building appetite in kids. It's 100% Ayurvedic and is enriched with ingredients that stimulate your child's hunger for home-cooked meals. And it also helps to strengthen their immunity naturally. So all you have to do is give them 2 spoons of Aptivate syrup half an hour before mealtime and watch all the food disappear from their plates. So definitely check out this amazing product and don't forget to try out the recipe as well. All the details are in the caption below.